Hey, this will be a video chart on QASP. Been a while since the last time I did this. I think I did it on this day here where it was pulling back here, and then I talked about how this was going to be a very crucial test because the price was coming down to test this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. And yeah, I don't think I've done it since then. But good news is, not only did it passed the test in terms of seeing if the 50-day was going to be strong enough. But it's bounced off of it multiple times, and so far so good, especially from the daily chart perspective. It's looking like we have a break in the history. Usually the chart has a big history of, if we look over here at the most recent example, it'll pop and then it just would drop and then break below new lows. But ever since this initial move here where it broke up, you can see that it put in a higher low there, and it's been doing that ever since. So daily chart really looking good. And I had a few requests on it, and I'm thinking about it. I haven't done it in a while, so I want to update the daily chart. Video won't be too long, but there is kind of something interesting that's going on, and it's pretty simple to follow and understand. So let's just get started. Before I hit what I really want to talk about, I actually just noticed it, to be honest, but nice little volume today. Nothing huge, but always nice to see a little bit bigger volume like that increasing on green days like this. So hopefully that's kind of a precursor to what's to come the rest of this week. But back to what I originally wanted to talk about. Really what we have here is a short-term, medium-term, however you want to define it, channel that's taking place. And the channel isn't being formed by any trend lines or anything like that, but simply by our moving averages. Maybe you already see it, but if not, currently at the bottom of the channel, providing support, is the purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average. You can see that multiple times now the prices come down here and bounced right off this area. And then right now on the other side of the channel, making the top portion of it, is this orange line here, which is a 200-day simple moving average. So the two biggest well-known moving averages in the world of technical analysis, the 50-day and 200-day, right now kind of have it boxed in and are providing a channel. So one thing that I think is going on a little bit is we have some traders in here, whether they be chart players or just level 2 traders that are probably buying down and around in this area, and then when it comes back up here, they're selling. And it's pretty much been a ATM machine. You can see here is one trade, there's another trade, and then right there today, another trade's taking shape. So nothing wrong with that, because there's obviously plenty of buyers in here. They're providing support, but the catch-22 is they're also providing resistance then when the price goes up. So kind of one of those give and take things. But in a nutshell, daily chart is looking good. As far as supports and resistances, just pretty much sum that up. As long as the 50-day continues to hold, the chart's in business. And right now the key resistance that the bulls want to try to get back above is going to be this orange line here, which is the 50 or 200-day simple moving average. So like I said, wasn't going to be too long or anything like that. It's pretty simple, but these are the best charts where you have a very clear, very simple pattern taking place, the channel, and now it's just a matter of seeing if the price is going to break to the upside or downside of it, and just see for how long it will continue to go sideways. But overall, the daily chart's still putting in those higher lows, and that's what we want to see. So bulls are hanging in there, and we'll have to see what the rest of this week brings, and maybe we'll see a break of it either tomorrow or Friday as the price is starting to approach that 200-day. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. We've been making some good money with our alerts, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and check it all out. One more time, this was QASP. Thanks for listening.